Hello guys, welcome back to my channel Fact News. Today I am going to tell some interesting facts about parrots. Parrots are also known as cetaceans. The birds of or roughly 398 species in 92 genera, comprising the order of cetacean forms found mostly in tropical and subtropical regions. The order is subdivided into three superfamilies. One third of all parrot species are threatened by extinction. The great diversity of parrots is in South America and Australia. Parrots are omnivorous. Most parrots eat a diet that contains nuts, flowers, fruits, birds, seeds, and insects. Seeds are their favorite food. Parrots are colorful, quite intelligent, and sociable, and long-lived creatures. That's all for today, guys. Thanks for watching.